Hello everyone, this is Gopi, Chartered Accountant. Today I want to discuss regarding concept behind the divisional transfer pricing. It is mostly useful in CA final SAMPE. So let us go to discussion directly. So there is a one manufacturing industry. So it can manufacture the goods and then it can sell the goods. So there are actually two divisions. One is a manufacturing division and another is a sales division. So for example, we have to take only two divisions are there. So for manufacturing division, we can let assume we are manufacturing this bottle. Okay. So to once the goods has been manufactured by the manufacturing division, it has to be transferred to sales division for the further sales. So to transfer from manufacturing division to sales division, they should not transfer at zero value. They should transfer at a certain price. The price we call as a transfer price. So divisional transfer pricing is nothing but to transfer from one division to another division, at what price we have to transfer. So this is the divisional transfer pricing. And then you will be having a doubt that at what price we have to transfer. So there are lot of methods. I will tell you the example. First one we have to first method is a major method is a cost to cost transfer. You may have a doubt that what is cost to cost. Actually, this to manufacture this bottle, I got only 6 rupees cost. It means manufacturing division has 6 rupees cost overall to manufacture one bottle for all overheads, raw material, packing material, overheads, labor, everything including 6 rupees per piece. So to transfer from manufacturing division to sales division, they will transfer at actual cost. It means cost to cost. 6 rupees ki they will transfer. That is the transfer price based on cost. But there is a practical difficulty. Sometimes they cannot estimate what is an actual cost due to lot of production, and then due to change in prices of raw material, change in packing material prices, change in different costs, everything. So instead of actual cost, they will fix one budgeted cost. This will be the budget cost for this bottle. It means that they may fix some budget cost 6.5 rupees based on their calculation. Fixed budgeted raw material cost, budgeted packing material cost, budgeted overhead cost, everything they will fix. So based on that one, they will fix this will be the standard cost. So to transfer at cost, there will be two types. So first, if they can arrive the actual cost every time, they can transfer it actual cost, and then they can transfer it standard cost. So this is the major cost to cost transfer means. And then there is another method. What they will do means they will transfer at cost plus fixed margin. They will put one margin because sometimes in industries what they will do now, manufacturing division also there will be having a target that you should have to be have this much profits, you should have to be have this much like this industries will be there. So they will fix it, they will transfer it. If there is a cost is 6 rupees means, so they will transfer it 6 plus 10% margin. It means 6 rupees 60 paise, or like that they can transfer. So this is a one more transfer price, that is a cost plus margin method. So they will use a cost plus margin method. Sometimes what they will do now, instead of transferring from instead of getting the for getting the transfer price, they will check in market if they are buying directly. Sales division is buying directly from a wholesale market and to sell. So how much price they are getting, that is a market price to purchase a bottle by the sales division instead of manufacturing, to purchase a bottle by sales division and to sell that one. So how much price they are getting, so that is a market price method. So if we suppose in market it is available at 5 rupees, or in market if it is available at 8 rupees means, so the transfer price should be, if it is based on market price means, it should have to be transferred to 5 rupees, it should have to be transferred to 8 rupees. So these and all is a decision of a management how to transfer the product with what price. So these and all have to be decided by the management. So this is only one example. Suppose I will tell manufacturing means to manufacture there will be a 3 divisions sometimes. It is a manufacturing of bottle, and then there is a packing division, and then there is a sales division. So to send material from manufacturing division to packing division, they will fix one cost. Sometimes once everything what they will do now, manufacturing division has purchased material from packing division has purchased a material from manufacturing division, and then it will pack that one, so it will transfer to sales division. So for packaging division, the cost will be transfer price he received from manufacturing division, that is a one cost, plus his additional cost to packaging, so that will be his cost. So from here he will transfer to sales division, no, so he will transfer same methods, cost method, cost to cost, whether at actual cost or standard cost, or at cost plus margin method, or at market price method. So this will be the division to division transfers. So division to division transfers are majorly based on, I told you, no, cost to cost method. So cost to cost means actual cost or standard cost, and then at a cost plus some fixed percentage of margin they will fix it, or at market price method. Sometimes what people will do, no, if it is moving from production division to packaging division to sales division means, the managers at division levels, divisional managers, they will discuss and then they will negotiate the prices. So because they will be, I told you, they will be having some targets, so they will decide some prices. So the production division manager will tell that actually if we have to transfer at 6 rupees means we are not getting any profits in my division, I will transfer it to 6.5 rupees. Like that they will discuss. Sometimes packaging division will tell that while getting material from production division, so packaging division will tell that no, you are transferring at 6 rupees, but it is actually very high cost to me, so please transfer it to 5.5 only, so you may bear the losses, I have to get your profits, or else we can share the profits equally. Like that also they may tell. How can we share profits equally also, you will be having a doubt. If you see manufacturing division to sales division is there, so manufacturing division 6 rupees cost, and then sales division is selling at 11 rupees, so overall profit is 5 rupees to organization, so they will share the 5 rupees based on cost. What is the actual cost? Here 6 rupees is an actual cost, here based on this cost, so based on cost also they will get the transfer prices. So this is the concept behind transfer pricing. Hope I think you will be understanding. So this will the divisional transfer pricing is nothing but there will be a lot of divisions in an industry. So to transfer a material from one uh, division to another division, we have to fix one price. That price is nothing but divisional transfer pricing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.